Hello everyone, hope you are fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how to activate hotspot in your device OnePlus Nord CE2 Lite 5G. So if you want to activate or share hotspot in your device OnePlus Nord CE2 Lite 5G, you have to follow a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this complete video and you will learn how to activate or share hotspot in your device.